Hey guys, welcome back. I saw a recipe on a channel called Frannie for a 1-hour dinner roll that I wanted to try. I've started out with heated 1 cup of water, half cup of milk, and I've put in a tablespoon of yeast, and now I need to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm going to let this set until we get a lot of foam on top when the yeast is activated. So I'll bring you back. Alright, so you can see all of that foam in there. It's done really well activating. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so it calls for 3½ cups of flour. I'm going to go ahead and put in my first cup. And she waits until this point to put in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. So I'm going to go ahead and add that as well. And add another cup. And we'll go ahead and get this started. It is raining here, so I hope it does okay. I'm going to go ahead and add another cup. And I grabbed a ½ cup measure for the last. And I'm going to go ahead and take out another ½ cup and set aside for when I'm kneading. I'm not going to let the mixer do the kneading. I'm going to hand knead it today. So now I need to start the kneading process. So I'm going to put out some flour, not too much. Alright, so now I'm just going to knead till it starts to feel smooth. And really, I don't think, I'm on a silicone mat, I don't think I'm going to have to add any flour to keep it from sticking, so I'm just going to keep kneading for a bit. Another trick I learned from a lady, instead of sprinkling more flour on the dough, just put it on your hands so you're not getting so much or too much worked into the dough. right, I'm going to put this back in its bowl, and it's going into my oven where I've had the light on, so it's just warm enough that it'll help it rise. And we're only going to let it rise about 20 minutes. And then I'll bring you back. One other thing that she did, she made a honey butter to go on top of the rolls when they come out of the oven. And it is 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And 2 tablespoons of honey. I would think this would be good with probably any rolls. Get this ready. I will also link to another video on dinner rolls that is the best I've ever had. But they do take a while to make, but they are the best homemade dinner rolls I've ever had. So I'll link that one too. Alright, I'll see you guys back soon. Alright, gonna punch it down, get those air bubbles out. Alright. I'm just gonna cut the dough. Okay, and then just roll into a ball. And drop them in your pan. This one feels a little large. Alright, so we are going to cover these and let them rise for about 15 minutes, and then they'll go into a 400-degree oven. Alright, we are ready to go into the oven. It says we're going to bake them 20 to 30 minutes until they're like golden brown on top. So, I'll bring you back. I have the honey butter that I am slathering on. You could just butter them. You don't have to use the honey butter, but I want to stick to her recipe and see how they turn out. Okay, so we'll let those cool and then we'll give them a taste. Okay, let's go ahead and get one out. Whew. They are still really hot. Okay, let's see what I think. I dropped my bread. They're very good rolls. I still like the other ones better, but if you're short on time, I would definitely make these again. Hope you guys have a great week.